In this video, I'm going to be showing you a few examples on the difference of two squares. So, difference of two squares is a factorizing method when you have something squared minus something squared. So if you look at the yellow box, we need to write both terms in squared form and then write in the form a plus b, a minus b. The green box is something similar. If you have a squared minus b squared, so something squared minus something squared, then you write it in the form a plus b, a minus b. So this will make a lot more sense when you see the examples. So the first one here, we have x squared minus 25. So now, 25, that can be written as 5 squared. So let's rewrite it, x squared minus 5 squared. Now we have it in the form a squared minus b squared. So then just split it up, x plus 5, x minus 5. And that's it, done. Next one here, we have x squared minus 81. So remember, 81 can be written as 9 squared. So we'll have x squared minus 9 squared. Again, it's something squared minus something squared. So we can write it as x plus 9, x minus 9. Now, next one here, it's a bit more difficult. So we have 4x squared minus 25. Now remember, 4, that can also be written as 2 squared. So for these questions, I'm going to put in a pair of brackets, so it's going to be 2x all squared minus 5 squared. Now we have it in the form of a squared minus b squared. So let's split it up to 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. Finally here, so 9x squared minus 1. So 9, remember, can be written as 3 squared. So like the previous example, I'm going to use brackets, so 3x all squared. And then 1. So a lot of people get confused when they see 1, but for that, just write it as 1 squared, because 1 squared would be 1, square root of 1 is 1 again, so we just write it as 1 squared. Now we have something squared minus something squared, so let's split it up. 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1. And that's it, and that's the